Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the PaperGang boxes for both August and September. PaperGang is a stationery subscription. It is £10.95 a month plus about £5 or £6 shipping to the US. When you translate that over, it's about $20 a month. But it just depends on if you pay for 3 months, 1 month, and it also depends on the exchange rate at the time. The reason why I am unboxing both at once is because there was a shipping issue with my August box, and they ended up having to ship me a whole new box because I guess they sent it out of their warehouse, but the warehouse just stopped tracking it and it never got here. Spoke with their customer service, and they have really good customer service if that's something you care about. I post a lot of subscription box unboxings, so if you're into that, go ahead and subscribe, and if you enjoy the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And I will start with the August box, and then I will do the September. If you just want to see the September, I'll leave a timestamp down below so you can just skip to see September's box. So PaperGangs, they always have a really cute sleeve on the outside, and then on the back they have like a little figure that you can make. It looks like this one is going to be a squirrel. Oh my god, I'm so excited to do that. I make all of those. This month's artist is a German artist, and I really love her design, so I was scared I wasn't going to get this box when it wasn't delivered, and I'm super excited about this. So it is in just a thing like this. When you open it up, it's wrapped in tissue. Mine's ripped because of transit, and we'll go ahead and get into it. So it has a little pamphlet on top that tells you what's in your box. It tells you, so this was done by Iraville is the illustrator's name, and her official name is Ira Sluderman van Langevede. Anyway, so they interview her, and then they tell you about some of the stuff in the box. So that's really cool. I will leave a link down in the description below if you're interested in signing up. They do, for every 4 boxes, they plant 1 tree, so that's really cool. So the first thing I'm seeing is this set of 3 pencils. The pencil with writing says, "Do it your way." And then there's just a couple with designs. It looks like these retail for £3.95. Then I see some washi tape. And this looks like it retails for £2.50. They always include a little sheet, the calendar for the next month. So this one's for October. I currently have the one from last month for September out. So I just have a little spot where I display these. That doesn't count towards the value of the box. Ooh, and then there's this really cute greeting card, and that retails for £2.50. Now they print all this stuff and just make this all themselves, which is really cool, and you're supporting artists, which is also really cool. I love getting these cards because I'm somebody who, if I buy cards, I usually end up buying them from the dollar store, and they're nothing special. So it's nice to have really high quality cards. You're always stocked if you subscribe to their subscription. And then the last item I am so excited about. It is an A5-ish notebook, and it retails for £9.95. And this is what the notebook looks like. They do send a lot of notebooks, and some people may think, oh, you don't need all those notebooks, but one thing I've noticed, and I think somebody else said this too, and that's how it is, it's blank on one side, lined on the other, is that before this subscription, I was so afraid to write in really nice journals because you don't want to ruin it, you want to save it for something, but when you get a lot, then it's easier not to ruin them, but to write in them. So super excited for this. I think I already know what I'm going to use it for. So that was the August box. So now let's go ahead and open the September box. Now the September box was curated by Gemma Corral, and it looks like, let me cover up my address and everything. On the back, they don't have one of the things that you fold, but they have a well-being chart. Did you look after yourself today? If yes, mark off a star. Be kind to yourself for a week, and you can treat yourself to something nice. Treat ideas, donuts, a movie night, a new item of clothing. I think this one's all about self-love, this box. So about every month they have a different illustrator. Next month they had one for a contest, so it's actually somebody who subscribes to the box. If you go to their website, you'd be signing up for October, and you can see what that design would be. Alright, so this month, when you open it, there is a pale blue tissue instead of the pale pink. They always do a different color tissue. open it up and see what we got. So of course, like I said, on top you have the booklet, and then I'll open it to the front so that I can see what's inside. So the first thing I am seeing are self-care reward stickers. Let's see, 4 A6 sheets of illustrated stickers, yes. So these retail for £3.95. So it looks like, didn't bottle it up, didn't pretend I was fine when I wasn't, took time to recharge, remembered to breathe, did my best, I survived the panic attack, asked for help. These are really cute and cute reminders for yourself. The next thing, I think this, oh, so this is a little extra. This is from, and I've never had them do this before. So this is from Pigs. This is a chocolate and mint naturally caffeine-free, 1 biodegradable tea temple. That's really cute, and I'm glad that it's caffeine-free because I try to stay away from caffeine. Plus, for a self-care thing, if you have anxiety and stuff like that, it's not good to have caffeine. So, and then there's also use code ODEAR2018 to receive 20% off your order at Pigs. Super excited for that. It doesn't look like they're counting that as something in the box. It looks like special extra. Then, like I said, there's the card for November. So it looks like we have a notepad that retails for £5.95. So this looks like it is just a notepad, a lined notepad, and it says "and breathe" on the top. Super cute, and it has the little, these type of characters are super like Gemma Carell-ish. I don't know, that doesn't really make sense. So then, what is this? I think this is the I like this. It says everything is going to be okay, and then on the back there is a planner. So this A4 Rezo print, no, this academic wall planner retails for £4.95. This is cool. The problem is that you can't, on one side, I guess you can use it as a poster or you can use it as a wall planner. Maybe I'll bring this to work and hang it up at my desk just to send positivity. All right, next is a A4-ish notebook printed in the UK. Retails for £4.95. So it says "doing my best," and then on the inside it is lined, and on the top it has a cloud that says the date on it right there. Super cute. And then, oh, okay, they have a smaller print too, so I guess this is the A4 Rezo print. Retails for £8.95. That can't be true. I don't know. So this is a smaller print of "everything's gonna be okay." I think I'm gonna get this framed because I think that saying is really cute. This doesn't necessarily go with my aesthetic of this room, but I might be able to pop it into another room or bring it to work. I love everything that I get in these boxes. Compared to other stationery boxes, this is probably one of the cheaper ones that you can get for $20 US, and it's super unique because you have a different illustrator every month. So every month the products you're going to get are going to look totally different. That does mean that maybe some months the color scheme, the pattern just might not be your style, but that's kind of part of the box. But you do get to support artists and things like that. So like I said, I will leave the information in the description below. If you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing, and I'll see you in my next video.